Hi everyone, today we are here at Waterway Sunbeam at 663A Punggol Drive, and today we have an amazing 5-room unit to show you right here. If you're looking for a home in a peaceful area yet with the convenience of amenities and schools nearby, this could be right for you. Hi, my name is Belle and I'm the host representing the OrangeTee and HDB division. Come with me to check out this beautiful home. Conveniently located right beside Cuddaloo LRT station, Block 663A Punggol Drive offers lots of amenities within reach. Oasis Terraces is just 1 LRT stop away, and Waterway Point is also 3 LRT stops away from more conveniences. What's more, Waterway Primary School is just right beside Waterway Sunbeam for your child's easy enrollment. And before we introduce you to this unit, first let me orientate you to the main door facing. Now this main door for the unit is facing the northwest, and as you enter this unit, you are greeted by a full-height shoe cabinet to store all of your shoes. This is a 110 square meters 5-room high-floor unit, and as you enter this unit, you can feel the breeziness and brightness of this unit. This space here at the dining area can fit a 6 to 8-seater dining set comfortably. If you are working from home or you have children studying from home, now this study room is done up just for your needs. Alternatively, you can convert this into a guest room or use it as an extra room for your helper. This living area is so spacious that you can fit in a big 3-seater sofa, a TV console, and there is no built-in furniture. This full-height window right here brings in a lot of natural light to give it a warm and cozy feeling. And here we are in the master bedroom. The homeowner has actually thoughtfully maximized the room space with platform area with storage space. Both common rooms are identical and are a mirror of each other. Currently, one of the bedrooms is used as a walk-in wardrobe, and there is still enough space for you to place a dressing table. And here we are in this kitchen, which is bright and airy. And over here, we have our usual kitchen appliances. And you will never run out of storage space with top hung cabinets and a lot of bottom cabinets as well. In this kitchen, there is a backyard area here where you can use it for your laundry purposes. This window here provides sufficient ventilation for heavy cooking as well as drying of laundry. Thank you for joining me on today's home tour. Now, if you like what you have seen, do contact Johnny Ng of OrangeTee and AEG Division at 9380-2560 for your exclusive viewing. Once again, my name is Belle and I look forward to seeing you again soon.
AAG, the #1 top division in OrangeTee and Thai.